perfect cup of coffee. The HAIYUECOFEE manual grinders let you tailor the coarseness of your beans to your coffee making style wherever you are. Designed with 6 different coarseness settings, our hand-crank coffee bean grinder allows you to create ultra-fine, medium, or very coarse grounds to suit Turkish coffee, espresso, pour-over, and much more. The hard-wearing premium ceramic burr is ensconced in a rust-proof 304 stainless steel housing. The cranking handle is also stainless steel, outfitted with a beautiful natural wood knob. Grounds are collected in a high-quality, dishwasher-safe clear glass jar for easy dispensing. Available in 2 different sizes, its elegant brush finish makes it a lovely addition to your coffee bar. And it's the perfect gift for any coffee lover. Unlock the full potential of your Arabica, Robusto, Liberica, or any other premium coffee beans with a